The new gimbal design of the Mavic Air has much improved, but this is not the only place where DJI has innovated. They made a new gimbal cover, and in this short video I want to show you how easy it is to mount and dismount, but first, let's roll that intro. Do you want to improve your drone footage? Refine your video skills, learn about e-wheels, the future of commuting. Subscribe to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. You're probably familiar with the gimbal cover and clamp from your Mavic Pro. I've mounted this many times, but always afraid I will damage the gimbal when mounting the clamp, and sometimes I forgot to remove the clamp before flight. I never really got around liking this system very much. I always had to put the Mavic flat on the back to properly mount the clamp. This is kind of annoying when you're outside. The new cover will act as both clamp and lens protection, and on top of that it's super easy to get on and off. If you don't believe me, let's do it a few times. There's been a few rumors from the internet that it should be difficult to mount and dismount the gimbal cover, but it's really not. So good job DJI. If you're wondering what you're getting in the Mavic Air Fly More combo, I actually made a video about that and you can access it through this card. Thank you very much and see you on the next one.